Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a biodegradable pot, and all you'll need are a toilet paper roll or paper towel roll and some scissors. There you go. Alright, so if you're going to use a paper towel roll, what you want to do is kind of cut it into 3 different lengths of what you want. So what I've done here, I've just marked it up to be as long as the toilet paper roll. And once you've gotten it cut into different pieces, the sizes you want, all you're going to do is flatten it. You'll want to make sure that they're pretty well folded on each side, so it's pretty flat. And then what you want to do is you're gonna fold it in on itself again. Just make sure that line lines up with the other side, so then it's square. And then you're just gonna flatten it, make sure it's folded. And once you've done that, all you'll need to do is take your scissors and go to each of the corners and cut it about an inch, ½ inch to an inch, depends on what you want, just as long as each of them are roughly the same length. It doesn't have to be exact. And once you've done that, you're just going to fold it like you would with a box. So you'll do one flap at a time. And on the last one, you're going to make sure that you tuck it underneath. And then, so then it'll look like that on the bottom. And then there you go. You got your pot. And it's just that easy. You don't really have to do much more than that. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you have a comment for a future video, please comment below. And we'll see you guys next time.